mother of God. My mic isn't muted, but my other thing was muted. No wonder why Skeletor wasn't talking to me. Or Miss K. Okay. I made a couple of good jokes too. Bum 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 bum. Well, boy, I gotta go over all of them again, eh? Fucking muted mic. Fucking muted mic. Okay, Louie. We started with you, Louie. You got to type in exclamation mark giveaway because your name didn't show up in the list. It's not just giveaway. Sorry about that. See, you're not on the list. Only Miss K and Skeletor. Starboy. So Louis, you got to type in exclamation mark giveaway. Sorry about that. Brian. Okay, Brian, with the name Louis. Pama. That's going to be a hard one to remember. What else? I'm looking at the 5-minute chart. You know what? I do kind of see there is. No, there isn't. I was going to say there is a divergence with the S. But there isn't. Well, maybe there is. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. It's a hard one to call. We broke it over there. Yeah, there is. There is a bearish divergence. Ooh, the tiniest of divergences. But there is a bearish divergence at the moment with the S. Okay, so let me go over it. Start over again. Nothing over here. We didn't break the high and the low of the Asia session, which is the gray box. We only broke the high. Nothing to see here. On the 1 minute, quick. We're bounced into the 50 moving average again after rolling over here, this little consolidation. The 30-minute, I'll just go over it very quickly. The most significant level that I see is down here at 24,610. We really pushed aggressively higher off that level at 24,610. You know, we do have another level right over here, but yeah, you know, we kind of pushed aggressively off it. Same thing over here. So we can be looking at the 25,115 area also. And to note, the 25,850, how we sold off 4 times aggressively when we came into it. That was very well defended. On the 15-minute chart, really nothing to see. We're trading at the upper edge of the pre-market range. And that's it. Get ready to start trading in 11 minutes. Why is the file not working? The whole purpose is to not update it manually. Yeah, we'll make Brian's life easy. Louie. Are there that many vowels in Louis? That's almost every one. We're only missing the A. File, save, close. You know what? Let me thanks. Let me type in giveaway and see if the file is working. Why isn't the file working? I don't feel like monitoring it. What could be wrong? Let's go see. Always troubleshooting something. Commands. Shouldn't there be, when you type in giveaway, shouldn't there be a message? I think so. Actions. Giveaway, YouTube message. User, you are entered in the, yeah, okay, so why was there no message? Still not working. Let's try it again. Futures floor, you are entered in the next giveaway game. All right. Didn't think I'd get in. So now deal me in should be working also. There we go. I drew, dealer draws a 6. Oh, that looks good for me. I drew 81. Very good. And I should be in the players list. Perfect. I don't have to look anymore. I don't have to look. Starboy, you're in there already, I think. I think I typed you in manually. Yeah, okay. Boom, boom. File. Save. No, that's not a short. Good morning, SP King. How you doing this morning? Did you guys all have a good weekend? I started off my stream with good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, depending on where you're from.
Good morning.
Good morning, Dave. I should lower my monitor, right? It looks like I'm looking at the sky. I look over here and then I look at my stream and I say, holy shit, where the fuck is he looking? Why is he looking at his ceiling? Ah, Lord. I'm not in the mood for active scalping today. My brain is tired. Let's run an ad. Game, prop drop. Game, deal me in. Well, we've been notified that Omnius will be joining us soon. What to do if you don't want to scalp aggressively on the open. Maybe I can just take the Saber trades. Are you guys familiar with the Predator X system? It's pretty good, especially on the open. I should put it up. Watch for the first 2 trades. Let me see if I even have it. I may have it. Hey, there he is.
Who is it?
There he is.
Dark. Is that dark in here? A little brighter on your screen.
You're always grumpy in the morning.
I'm always happy in the morning. I just that grumpy, so y'all leave me alone.
Yeah.
I was trading in.
I was talking about the Omni-Man thing. Let me fix this.
Starboy, good morning.
Let me move this.
Speak King, good morning. Skeletor, good morning. You still didn't answer my question.
Yeah, blue. Sucks, it's blue.
I keep asking a question. I can't even get my question answered.
What's your question?
I'm not asking. I didn't ask 5 times.
You asked the question. It's crazy. You probably did, and I just missed it. Anybody remember his question? Let's see if anybody remembers the question. I don't know which one. I have so many, but I have a good one. I have a good one that is kind of like, I have simple ICT, but now I have super simple ICT. I don't even know you can call it ICT anymore. It's become so simple, it's not ICT anymore. I don't know. Well, we're going to be watching this one here on the Renko bars. Let me expand
my question was,
even though I'm not supposed to show Renko bars
Rollover
anymore.
or no rollover?
Oh, I did answer you. Oh, my mic was off. Yeah, no rollover yet. The volume is 209,000 on the December and 172 on the March. So the March will take over tomorrow. But right now it's even to a little bit less. So one of the strategies I'll be following is once the market opens, you see these blue bars that form, to take the first 2 or 3 of those after the market opens. That's very similar to the Predator X system. How that works is that's kind of like a Ninja Renko. If we get below the open of the previous bar and then we close up, then the bar gets painted blue. So that's why you can see this one. Hold on, let me change my cursor. This one and this one, we got below the open. This is the open of the previous bar. We got below it. You can tell by the wick, but we ended up closing up. In this case here, we got below the open, but we didn't close up. We closed down. So these traded a little bit lower, but they didn't reach the open of the previous bar.
You already did analysis?
I did a little bit, yeah. 24,000. Let's go over it again. I guess that was missed multiple times. I don't even remember.
Let me point out a few things real quick.
Yeah, go ahead.
We're pushing up. We're at this support turn resistance. If you go to the hourly chart, same area I've been talking about for a while. 25,400. We broke through it. What was that Friday? Big gap spike through it. We did. Now we're pushing back up. We're testing that area. In order to go to new highs, we have to break above this area. If we reject, then we could see a lower low, giving us a downtrend. So really kind of looking on this area. What's it going to do on the hourly chart? Do we build structure again below it, or do we push back above it and build structure? That's all I'm really concerned about. If we do break, we look to go back down to the 25,200. If we break that, the 25,000 then. Mike, back to you.
Back to me. Okay, well, just answering Starboy. Another strategy that I have is I like to look for divergence, or what the ICT crowd likes to call SMTs, which is really just divergence. I hope you know what divergence is. You know what? I'm going to make a video on all of these components, a separate video. So you can learn ICT. You can learn my CT, how I do ICT, like in 20 minutes. A 5-minute video, 4 videos. You don't have to spend a whole year watching videos.
Still don't understand why divergence have to die.
I don't know.
Doesn't seem fair.
It doesn't. So yeah, if there's divergence, then I go down to the 1-minute chart. That's off the 5-minute, which I don't have up on the screen, but I will get it up on the screen for you guys this week. I do have it. It's right there. I track it, but if I have divergence and I go down to the 1 minute, let me just finish quick, Omnius. I go down to the 1 minute. I'm gonna look for a sweep of internal liquidity, and then either a quick CISD or fair value gap, inverted fair value gap. Simple as that. Go, Omnius. Markets are open.
What divergence you looking for?
Wow, 5-minute ES and NQ. Okay,
between indices then.
Yeah, the 2 indexes. Yeah, that's the thing I'm going to explain what the divergence can be between any 2 things. Could be between an indicator and a.
Yeah, I thought you were talking maybe like a RSI or something.
Yeah, but no, in this case it's nice. Just cut a nice 5 lot here. Come on, push one more, please.
Yeah,
I was up 100. I was up 100. Don't do that to me.
I was only 45 points. I'm used to this being like 120.
Oh, you fucking pecker.
Hey, play with your own pecker.
I was up 100. Why didn't I take it?
I tried to tell you. Was you really muted this morning? I was on my laptop. I couldn't hear you.
No, it was. Definitely was.
I was like, maybe I can't hear him because I'm on my laptop.
No, it was muted in the OBS software. Wasn't even muted with the mic
I don't
button.
even think I checked mine.
Usually, yeah, I didn't do a sound check. Usually, I mute the mic button.
Okay. See, we're getting this back and forth in the market right now, so everybody's trying
Yeah,
to figure out all
not
the big
getting
money.
we're not
Are
getting
we
much of an open.
are we pushing above this support resistance area, or we're breaking below? We just keep teetering back and forth. I would say the 15 is still bullish. I think looking at the 15, I think we could push up.
Sorry, guys. I had that up. I had to get out. Okay, that's cool. I'm up 674 in top step. Yes, very good.
Yeah. Oh,
Good
yeah.
job. Good job, poor trading. So I will admit that. I hung on to my plus 100 trade that went into red a little bit too much. You know what? Sometimes you win a poker tournament by getting lucky, right? You know what? I have a theory. I don't think you can win a poker tournament without not getting lucky a couple of times. We don't have any blue bars yet. 9:30, I think, is the white box on my Renko. I think that's when that should mark off the 9:30. How was your weekend, Omnius? Yep, that marks off the 9:30.
You call that a weekend?
Yeah, it was a weekend.
I don't think I stopped all weekend.
Well, my wife is still very sick. We just took it easy.
No, that sucks.
Ordered takeout. It wasn't too bad. I mean, she's not, lying in bed all the time. She's walking around a little bit. We stay away from her. If she stays in one living room, we stay in the other living room. We
Wow.
move around. We stay about, 15 feet away. Everybody stays away from her. Nobody wants to get sick. She's coughing like a dying horse.
I mean, if you're in the same house, you're gonna get the same thing. It's not
I
just.
don't know.
Come on, man.
So far, we've been good. No one's got it. We wash our hands. We use the sanitizer, and we've been doing good.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. So, I didn't even bring it up. I didn't even catch it. I didn't even notice it. So I'll bring it up in hindsight. How many times have I told you when you sweep, when you take out the pre-market levels, the blue box, how often we just shoot off to the other side? Take a look at what happened again. I'm sorry, I didn't catch it. I'm seeing it only in hindsight, but I am telling you of that pattern so you can watch it for yourselves. Hopefully you have better attention spans than me.
That was a dump, huh?
Yeah, it was.
We're at the 5-minute moving average now. See how it acts there? What do we do, man? We went to birthday parties. We went to parks. We been everywhere, man. You know that song? I've been everywhere, man.
Good morning, Medink.
Medink, good morning. Yesterday, we took the kids out to the bar. Your kids.
Yeah, you took your little good morning. Medink, don't listen to Omnius. He didn't take his kids out to a bar. His kids are young.
Yes, I did. We were there all day.
Really? A bar?
Yeah. Yeah.
Was there
Had
no
a great
legal
Christmas party?
Is there no legal drinking age where you're from? Is Rob
yeah.
DeSantis that open?
No, hell no.
I still love DeSantis. There's nothing you can say that'll make me not like him. I don't know why. Maybe because of his policies during the those years there. The years. You can't say it, or you get a strike. You can't say that word. Crazy, stupid idiots. Words.
But
you can't
they had
say.
a nice Christmas party. I got a cough today.
Okay, so the
That's
place was reserved for a Christmas party.
Oh, they do it. I think they did it the past 5 years now.
You see, you didn't stay 15 feet away from my wife, and you're coughing now. We warned you.
I'm literally like 23 hours away from her.
Mm. I said
But
15 minutes. You see, you didn't listen.
they had a nice Christmas party. They had Santa Claus giving away presents, the biker bar, bunch of bikers, bands playing.
Oh, yeah. Bands are
Kids
fun.
love it. They had a great time. And one of the local bands does guitar giveaways to kids.
Oh, yeah, you told me about that.
People donate guitars. They had one. They gave away one yesterday. It was original Gibson made in Florida, in Jacksonville.
Mm.
And they say he didn't have no paperwork on it, but the story is that the Gibson guy himself came to Florida. It was one of the first ones made at that factory. The Gibson guy himself came down and tested that guitar and did a bunch of stuff with it. And they just gave it away to some kid, probably about 12 years old. Yeah, kids had a blast. They had a bunch of bounce houses. They had those slingshots. You know what a slingshot is?
No.
I wouldn't
That
either.
like
Don't
that
worry about
ride
it.
that shoots you up?
No. It's like a wannabe three-wheel motorcycle
Okay.
car.
Come on.
Just imagine you take a three-wheel motorcycle and like fuse it with a car or something. I don't know. It's called slingshot.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was the ride where you're in this little ball with these.
No, but my kid would love to do that too. I told you he did the Superman.
I don't know what that is.
They raise you up about 100 feet in the air with nothing but a harness and drop you, and you go flying through the air like freaking Superman.
Wow.
Him and the wife did it. Like, hell no, I wouldn't do something like that. Y'all are stupid.
Hmm. Sell. Yeah, we're getting under those levels. Let's take a look at the levels. Let's take a look at the levels, what we got. Nothing really particular at this moment that I see. 206 maybe.
Big dump.
Yep.
Looking to go lower.
Still no chart, no trade on the Renkos.
That's a big
Volatility.
rejection from that area.
Yeah.
I mean, this could be a first sign of a not only a downtrend today, but a bigger downtrend. If buyers don't step in. Basically a sign saying it looks like buyers might have gave up.
Mm.
We're not going to panic and say sell everything right now, but
And
I would start looking.
And we're not going to scalp counter trend either.
No, not today.
Have I been getting hurt with that?
So they do a bunch of raffles and stuff there also. They have a bunch of toys and bikes and stuff.
Mm.
They give the kids raffle tickets and they put them into whichever one they want. Then at the end, they do a raffle and give away all the presents.
Wow.
They also give them presents. They give them like a gift bag as soon as they get there with all kinds of stuff.
Shit, damn. What's
then
the entry for this?
In the middle of Santa comes and he gives them a bunch of presents. Then
it's
at the end, they do the raffle.
To get in?
Huh?
It's $100 a person to get in?
No, it's
Gifts
free.
And presents free? Wow.
Yeah. And then so my kids didn't win anything in any of the raffles. Skeletor, good morning. And the guy that puts it on, he was walking around with a little acoustic guitar, kind of a pink color for a girl. My daughter's like, I like that guitar. I was like, well, go tell him. Maybe he'll give it to you. So she runs over there. She's like, I like that guitar. And he's like, oh, I'm sorry. This is for somebody else. I was like, well, you tried. Remember, if you don't ask, the answer is no, right? So no trade for me. Jury duty today. What? Not guilty.
No way.
Skeletor.
Guilty.
Not guilty.
Home.
If it's any kind of drug crime, not guilty.
Wow.
Any car related, not guilty. Unless it's like murder or I'm not gonna say it on stream, but something else like that. Anything any of that stupid stuff, just not guilty. Don't let them fool you. The jury has the right to pick whatever they want. Fuck their jury instructions. You don't have to follow that. It's a lie. Back to my story. Anyways, we was leaving and we saw the guy again. And I told my daughter, I said, well, go ask him if he's got another one. Maybe he has another one in the trailer. So she goes over, she asks him, he's like, no, I don't have another one of those. He's like, but hold on, Santa might have something. And so he runs away. He's like, you got 5 minutes? I'm like, we got 5 minutes. So he runs away, comes back and gave her an acoustic guitar.
Wow.
So that was pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Now she's all excited about her acoustic guitar she got. What is that shade of guitar? Hold on.
Okay, let's switch over. Let's close up Top Step. I did good in Top Step.
You see it?
Platforms, no. Oh, it's true. I hear you before I see you. Yep. Cool. Good girl. Now, does she know how to play? Before I say now she does.
What'd you say?
Does she know how to play?
Now she has to learn. Now she got an acoustic guitar.
There we go. We have a tiger tooth trade. Let's see if I'm going to have time to get in on the ask. Let's see if we get 3 down. I'll close position. Got to go down by 3.
Then when they give them guitars and stuff, they normally give them like an amp and cord and a booklet telling them how to play, tuner, strings. They don't just give them the guitars. They like go all out.
Yeah.
He probably gave away about 20 guitars yesterday.
No kidding. I think I'll take my $100. It's funny, I'm getting a little bit of a delay that I never used to get before. Don't know what's going on.
Yeah, slight delay. Come on the chart.
Oh no, like from the time I click to the time that it registers the click, you know?
So probably a delay.
It's kind of weird. And it's on Platform X, which I never had before. And it's on another computer.
Skeletor said he's got jury duty today.
Haha, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm not going to say nothing about that. You ever get called in for jury duty?
Yeah, I kept telling him I was not guilty. I was like, I don't care what y'all say. I'm going not guilty.
Did you really?
Yeah. They're like, why don't you just go home? I'm like, okay. There was like, what if it's like an actual crime or something? I'm like, do y'all do those? And like 95% of people like victimless crimes
Mm.
that ain't even supposed to be crimes. A victimless crime is basically an oxymoron. All right, guys, what do y'all see? What's the trade?
Yeah, let me take a
Somebody,
look. Let me take
somebody's
a
got to
look.
have a thesis on something.
Lower. I could have had a
No
short over
counter
there.
trend. It's got to be a short trade.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, no counter trends. Got to be a short trade. I agree. Well, I took this one over here on the Renko chart, the blue candle. I don't know if you guys see it. Maybe I should make it cornflower blue. Cornflower blue will show up better.
I see it, but it's hard to see.
Yep, I'm gonna change it. It's gonna take me 2 seconds. New, even though it's not new. Strategy builder. I'll probably miss a winning trade. I'll let you know if we enter in. And what I don't understand is why is it oh,
We
there
do
we
a
go. We
short
got the
here. I'm
trade.
not gonna say it's the
Yep, yep,
best
yep, yep,
short.
yep, 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 yep. I'm trying to get in. I got in.
Still waiting for the signal.
The stop is very tight. The actual trigger was at 70. I got in at 78, so that's beautiful. 8 points better. I will get stopped out. It really looks like it. Please don't. I stopped out. Oh well, okay.
Go stop. I could have stopped for 8 points. Ooh, it's really kind of pushing, isn't it? How about that? I would take an 8 point stop. Of course, I say it and it just goes down.
Mhm.
You, give me time to click the button.
Yeah, it was very fast.
Now if it comes back up, now I don't know because now it pushed down and then buyers bought it back up.
How is it every time?
I don't like that Ninja Trader kind of.
You're joking me
Why did it take
again?
me so long to be able to figure out what the stop was? Yeah, I'll wait. It wasn't the best setup to begin with.
That's not right. My platform made a mistake even. That's the second
Plat-
time this happened.
Platform don't make mistakes.
Ah, no, the platform made a mistake. Okay, it is what it is. Can't do nothing about it, right? Should have had a killing winning trade instead. Anyways, it is what it is. What am I looking at? Tiger teeth.
Bacon.
Tiger teeth. Change the color of the candles. Let's make it cornflower blue. It shows up more.
You have kind of a bullish candle on the 5 minute.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take a look soon. There we go. Yeah. Dodge a blue.
Might be getting ready for the buy back up.
Back brush. Nope. Back brush. Nope.
Tried to short, but it was getting iffy. So came back to break even. I got out.
Yeah, I have a short too. I'm missing a bunch of trades.
Yeah, I would have won. Yeah. I can't predict the future. Got to go with what I see at the moment. Literally might just still dump.
There we go.
Haven't
So,
gotten any real significant pullbacks.
a little bit bluer now, those bars. Why does this one have a white around it? Don't understand why I don't have outline on this over here.
Dump it. Dump it.
Okay, sometimes we just can't explain things. Sometimes we just live in a simulation.
Bitcoin 88,000.
That's what Bitcoin's at right now, I guess, obviously, since you're saying it.
Now I was lying. You ever hear those people say, I ain't lying? I didn't say you were lying. What are you talking about? It's kind of scary that everything's dumping except for gold. Oh, there's our gold. Hello, gold. Hello? Really is crazy that the market goes down and the bonds go down at the same time while lowering interest rates.
Push lower.
That's so quiet. I quit talking, you quit talking, they quit talking.
Yeah, I'm having weird shit happening with my platform, so I'm trying to figure it out.
Everybody's focusing on different things. I was I was looking through some of my stocks. Sorry guys, we're still here. We're still dumping. Just waiting on a meaningful pullback. We're kind of coming up to Globex Open. Means Mike should have a white line on his chart for the close.
Yeah, let's take a look. No, it's not showing up. Oh, I know why.
Smooth operator, good morning.
Morning, smooth operator.
Louis, good morning.
Louis is laughing. Why are you laughing, Louis? Laughing Louis. Laughing Brian. My data series changes to green.
Laughing at you, man. You're just picking your nose on stream. You didn't even realize it. It's only a matter of time before one of us do it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like, dude, what the fuck are you doing? I don't know. What was I doing?
I got no explanation. I'm selling. Let's see what we got here. Another short over there. I didn't take it. Maybe we'll keep
Just
the
like
chart
I
up over there.
said, sir, I'm selling. Sweet. I'm liking the sellings. Just got to find a good spot that makes sense. Take it. $25,360. Oh, that's looking nice right now. Then was that 130 points ish? Keeps jumping. Looking for longs soon. I could see longs. It I just don't want to be one of those days where I keep looking for longs and it keeps dumping.
ES took out London and took out the Asia session. NQ, I don't think took out the Asia session lows yet. No, it didn't. So we do have a bit of a divergence there. Okay,
That
let's see
reminds
if
me.
we can get price
Seen
to
a video
roll
guy
over.
was saying that ES made a new high or something recently. But NQ didn't. Did ES make a new high?
I don't know.
No. Man, you can't believe anything you see online. It did get close though. It was trying to.
That was cool. Oh, I missed that trade. Ninja Trader's not working good for me lately.
No, Ninja Trader would never do that.
I think it's time to upgrade, up something. Anybody else having problems with Ninja Trader? Look, I can't even change the bar colors.
I would
Data
never have
series.
problems. I would never have problems with Ninja Trader.
You never had problems with Ninja Trader? White?
Never.
Color for up bars? White? Okay. They stay green.
Chad, I'm just joking. It's an inside joke. I've been fighting with Ninja Trader nonstop for months.
I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's time for me to do that update that I passed on. You remember?
Yeah, I did one, then I had to undo it, and then I redid it and undid it again and reset 30 times after that.
Bull and Ox. Omnius, what are we giving away this week?
And you get I got one of these fidget things my kid gave me. Though if I
Wait
give it
for
away,
retracement.
if I give it away, I might get mad. I don't know.
Well, now we
Got a
got to
little-
wait for a little bit of a push-up, and then let's take out an internal
I got
low.
a hourglass, but I think this one's a minute glass. So what you do is you take a trade and you got like this, right? You take a trade and you flip it over, And then I don't know what you do after that. I don't know. You just do it. I don't know. What else I got? I got one of these ball things. You throw it real hard and it character pops out or something. I don't know. I got whatever my kids give me.
Hmm.
I got a coin. This coin right here is a 50-50 coin. We got about 60. What we get, 60% out of it?
We did. We got 60% out of it.
I was going to sell it on eBay. You do a 10-point long, 10-point short. It actually did really good. Coin flip strategy. I don't know what else. What else y'all want? I got a Santa Claus.
I can't believe you never sold that lucky coin. Push a little lower. There we go. Even though, okay, someone sent me a message. Anybody want to know who it was? Oh
Mike, you
my
got to
God.
smile more.
You gotta be kidding me.
Guy doesn't even smile to fart and sing. Oh, man, he says I'm the grumpy one.
I'm having problems everywhere. I don't know what's going on. I was looking forward to this day. And I don't know what's going on. I swear to God, it's like nothing makes sense.
I don't want to tell you on stream, but they got little blue pills for that.
I don't know what that means. I know to say that now. Hey guys, I don't know if you know Omnius is streaming. Let's go check him out. Let's go bug Omnius in his stream. Everyone head over to how do you spell it? Is it omniustrades.com? How do we get it? What is it? Exclamation mark O? What did we do?
Should be able to type a exclamation mark O.
We went with the O?
I don't know. You keep changing it.
Let me go look.
We'll do this guy over here. You got somebody to hang out with.
I did him already. A few times. Nightbot. Let's go give
Mike, we're gonna get another magic 8-ball because this one here doesn't work that good. And we're gonna do an 8-ball strategy. What do you think?
I'm busy. I'm looking at the commands.
I say we can get a magic 8-ball to beat 80% of traders. I'm confident.
It's exclamation mark O or exclamation mark OT. Let's try OT. Okay, how does that come up? Let's see what happens. It takes so long to actually, it's crazy how long it takes to go to, there you go. Well,
Figure it out.
Exclamation mark OT, exclamation mark O. O for orgasm.
Long. So we're calling the long here. Mike.
No, not yet. Too early.
It's so long, man. It's so long along.
Too early. I need a little bit more. We got to get up over 50 after 25 240. Got to get a close above that. We're close, but we're not
so
there
long
yet.
I went long. Order filled. The fuck you mean order filled? Is that yours?
No,
You got your shit playing again?
No, it's off. Come on, 25 240.
Yeah. This might not have been long. All right. What are we looking for?
Another bounce over the previous day's close right here at 203, 200.
Build FBG. What time frame for the FBG? So you want on the 5 minute, 15 minute, one minute. Dang.
These delays are getting me. It's no good. No good, no good, no good, no good. I'm clicking cancel orders, and by the time it's registering to cancel the order, we did fill a bearish fair value gap, but I didn't get a sweep, so I can't call that. We did get a bearish fair value gap to fill, but I would have been looking for a sweep of a low, and
I don't like that we're at the open. The only thing really I don't like.
what we can do is if we can sweep, well, first let's have this form as a low, and then we can sweep it and then close above it, and for me that could be a long entry. But we got 22
like we're
seconds.
setting up a short.
Actually, it did set up a short for me in the meantime.
I'm about to get out. ERB, good morning.
Good morning, ERB.
Don't want to fight the short setup.
Yep. Yep. Well, I did mark it off as a low, so I am going to call it. We do have... no, we don't. What am I doing? Sorry. See, I forgot. We don't have the...
There's the short setup.
I don't have the SMT anymore. I'm looking at NQ and ES. Hold on.
We go this way. We go this way.
That took it out. That took it out. No, I don't have an SMT. I'm not going to call. I'm not going to call it long here. Just got to sit on our hands.
There you go.
I was supposed to pick up 2 Apex accounts today and try to swing for the fences on those, and I forgot again. That means tomorrow I'm only going to have one more day. The sale ends on the 16th. It's tomorrow. For those of you that are calendar challenged.
Hey, don't be messing with those calendar challenge people. So what? There's a button right here on the bottom of the computer that tells you exactly what day it is.
I don't understand how pre-market, when I was just watching the markets, I was able to change the color of the wick, the color of the border, the color of the candle. And now I don't even have a color for the wick and the outline. And I can't change the color of the candles. I don't understand how that just changes like that once the market opens. And it's the second time it happened.
Why can't you change color? You probably got something painting your candles. Dump it.
No, nothing.
Oh, okay. I get some of my money back.
I don't have even. Yeah, that's a nice dump.
Still green on the day. Fuck them. Take my money. I take it back.
Done for the day on ES short, up 500. Way to go, Starboy.
Eat.
Starboy's buying beers this week, and he's sponsoring the giveaway. Hey, at Bullinox, it's only $15 an account for a 50K. Or is it? No, maybe probably 17 if I were to be.
You ever answer the question?
I have no idea. What are we giving away? We're giving away it's a Bullinox account this week.
I forgot I put the one guy up and never took it off. Hey, I didn't tell me.
Yeah.
Hey, it looks better anyways, right? Let's be honest. I was just trying to give y'all a break from looking at this guy.
Hmm. I'm lost $200.
Yeah, but you were up, right? So you still green on the day, or now you're down 200?
Well, that question was for Medink. I'll tell you what I would do, guys. I'm not
No,
telling
that
you guys to
question
do.
was for Louis.
Oh, I thought Medink wrote he was. Oh, it was Louis. I'm lost 200. So who was up 500? I thought it was Louis that was up 500. Oh,
I think it was.
Starboy. I'm confused. No, Starboy's up 500. Louis down 200, and Medink didn't tell us how he's doing.
But I thought Louis was up, and then now he's down. So I don't know if he says he's lost 200 out of what he was up, or if he's down 200, up 600. Okay.
What I would do is, if you see those dotted lines, those are the swings, the swing points, the swing levels. Wait till we get a close. Wait till we form a higher swing level. You see over here how we formed a higher swing level? Here you have one swing level. I'm on the 1 minute. Right here you have one swing level, and here's another swing level. It's a little bit higher. Wait till we form one higher swing level before you even consider going long. That's what I would recommend. Now, we formed a higher swing level. You say, okay, no, don't get in right away. You wait for a pullback and a continuation. But look, on this pullback, we broke the swing low. So that invalidates it. I wouldn't be looking for an entry. So now I'm looking for another, if I want to catch a bottom, but, at least I'm not catching a falling knife over and over and over. We only had that one potential entry, but it got invalidated immediately. Now wait till we break another swing high. Till we get a dotted line that's higher than a previous dotted line, the green ones. Then look for a pullback and a continuation. At least we've rounded. We have some what they call chuck and boss, change of character, break of structure, all those fancy names just to say we broke a swing high, eh?
I just say we broke a swing high.
Yeah, you know what? I want to use the terminology because everyone else does, but I feel so pretentious and stupid. They just renamed everything to make it sound like they're doing different shit.
There you go. Yes, sir. That's exactly what they did.
Yeah.
I was on one stream the other day. They was talking about what ICT stands for.
What does it stand for? I think I know what it stands for, but I forgot. Remind me?
The winner in the poll was I see titties.
Okay, not what it really stands for. No, I think it really does stand for something. But you know what? Come on. SMT. They rename SMT. Why would they rename divergence to SMT? Because if you saw a video saying something about divergence, you would say, oh, I already know divergence. I'm not going to click on it. I like divergence. I don't like divergence. But if you hear SMT, you go, oh, what's that? Really? SMT? As a precursor? As a filter? I don't know what that is. Let me go find it out. Wow, look how good it works. You're not even realizing it's just another word for divergence.
Well, to be fair, when most people say divergence, they're talking about an indicator.
Yeah. No.
You're saying
Divergence is anything with anything. Two things can diverge. A fork in the road is a divergence. Two cars following each other. You have a divergence. One goes left.
When traders talk about divergence, they're talking about an indicator.
I agree.
You're talking about it with
yeah, I do agree.
Another index. So typically that would be a SMT or whatever.
I do agree. I just took a quick short here on the tiger tooth trade. If it turns white, I will get out.
It all depends on whose terminology you're using.
Yep. But in this case, they're looking for a divergence between two instruments. But they call it SMT. I think some people even call it SMC. Smart money concept, smart money time. Whatever. It all refers to the same thing. All leads you back to the same place. Like the content. Leave a comment. Hit the like button. I should get rid of that. Let's change that.
Smash that like button.
Yeah,
Get some more people.
that's all it should say.
If you want to help out the stream. If not, if you're that guy I said a bunch of mean things to yesterday, then whatever. They were all true. Get over it.
By the way, it was Omnius that wanted me to set that exclamation mark O. I thought it should be something else like OT, OM, OT for Omnius Trades, because when you type in O, don't you think of Oprah?
Ever compare me to Oprah.
Don't you think of Oprah?
You get a free car and you get a free car. Well, we know who watches a lot of Oprah.
Hey, I went to see her when she did a speech at the local auditorium over here.
You didn't see much, did you?
It was not a bad speech. It was a lot of wasted time, but it was not a bad speech. It was a mildly motivational speech. That's all. But you know what motivational speeches are. They're good for about 15 hours by the time you wake up the next day. Oh, we got another blue candle. We got a double tiger tooth trade or Predator X.
What does that mean? Short? Full port?
Short, yeah, for another 15 points from here.
Yeah.
So targeting 23.
Oh, you didn't tell me we had a red line on the chart.
There's a red line.
There's a red line.
Oh my God.
117.
Guys, we're coming up to the red line. Previous day's low. Hey, way to go, ERB. Thank you very much. ERB is going to be sub of the week.
Some FYI. What's FYI?
For your information.
Oh. I should have known that. Okay. You're making me look bad. Come
on.
Yeah. I think we're too close to the red line.
So my trading did great today.
Dump it.
And platform errors screwed me.
Still making money.
Platform errors screwed me over on daytraders.com. Please tell me not on Top Step also. Please tell me I closed Top Step at a profit. Platform, Top Step, because I had a really good day in Top Step going. Launch Top Step X. Okay, up 674 in Top Step, so that's good. So who screwed up? Day traders, I know for sure. Ah, yeah, day traders, Project X. Oh, well, I did a double screw up. One of them was my fault.
I did get a email from Apex over the weekend.
Okay.
Something about affiliate representative.
Yeah. You get a dedicated rep.
Yeah, you didn't tell me that.
Yeah, I did. I told you I had one.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I remember exactly what I was doing at that moment.
At what moment?
When I told you. I was talking to you.
You talk to me?
I do. If you wouldn't talk over me all the time, you would know. Hey, chat, doesn't he talk over me all the time?
Yeah, I think you got that backwards.
All the time?
You got that backwards.
Let's take a pull. I'm shorting a 3 lot here at 62.
So what do I got to do with the
target is 51.
Talking about setting up a call or something.
Target is 51.
Do I give him like a ransom note?
Wait. Oh, there I got my target. Boom, even better. Very good. Even better. I got like an extra 7 points on that. That was a 73% trade. What do you do with the rep? I don't know. Nothing really. I never contacted the rep. It's more if you need us, type of thing. But I do plan on contacting the rep. Hey, yeah, since you got the rep, tell them about our stream. Tell them we did an Apex review. Tell them how favorable it was. You know what? Let me do that. Yeah, because I was the one that was favorable because I like Apex.
You really want me to send them my review?
Yeah. No. I'll do it. And
have you watched it?
You guys want some Apex accounts? You want me to contact Apex and see if we can get some free Apex accounts? I don't know if they do that. Maybe they're stingy, but they owe us, I think, after me giving them such a glowing review.
I send them my review. They'll probably kick me out the program again.
Yeah. I don't know what it'll take for me to give Apex a bad review. I think if I can still see long on NQ, but I guess I'm not going to break my rule. No, like I said, wait till we get a higher swing high. We kind of got one. Let me see over here. Wait, be patient. Don't try to catch the falling knife.
So to be clear, the only thing we've seen so far today is bearish strength. We've seen nothing, no bulls anywhere.
No bull. There's been no bull.
I mean, we do have a nice trend line on the 2 minute. I imagine the 1 minute and 5 minute also. So first thing we got to do is get above that trend line. Then we got to make a higher high and then get a retrace.
We have a swing over here. You say, oh, but Mike, look, you got the dotted lines higher than the previous dotted lines or dash lines. You got a higher swing high. No, it didn't close. It needs to close above the previous one. That's just a wick. That's a fake out. That's a fake breakout.
We're also breaking a low right here also.
Yep. No. Don't catch the falling knife, guys. You can only be right once. Do you realize that? Wrong, right. You can only be right one time. It can only turn one time. Don't play a game where you can be wrong 9 times and right only once. At least if you wait for it to turn and then you swing your bat, you can be right or you can be wrong, but it's a 50-50. Money.
Give me my money.
Omnius had the urge to say the word money. Everybody say money.
Seen we're breaking that low with large orders, and Delta was dumping. I took a scalp for 10 points.
Oh, good job. I think I should quit. I hit good numbers everywhere, except for where my platform screwed up. I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna lay blame on the platform.
Everybody right here was going for longs, and the market said, "Take all their money."
Nuh-uh.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-oh. Starboy wants to ask me something serious. I've been married for 25 years.
If it's that one question, he is Canadian. Just saying.
No, I'm not a virgin. What did we get? We just got a blue candle on the Renko there. We got a tiger tooth trade.
Now we want to know what the question is.
Now we got a tiger tooth trade. Let's see if we get 15 points. We got 5. We need 2 more black candles to follow suit.
Hey. Stop trying to avoid the question.
I avoid all questions. I don't like anybody that has to precursor their question. I'm not answering. Just if you ask it, I answer it. But if you say, Mike, I got to ask you a question already, I'm on defense.
All right, I'll answer it, but wrong answers only.
Yeah. Do you trade drunk? There you go. There's your 3 black bars after the tiger tooth trade.
Do you trade drunk? Of course we trade drunk. Why wouldn't we? We have to put that disclaimer to make sure y'all don't follow our trades and get in trouble.
Is my hair naturally gray or do I color it?
He colors it. Mike looks good for 25. Stop messing with him. You want to be a day trader? Good. There you go. Prime example. 25-year-old day trader right there. In fact, Mike, I want to ask you something serious. All you pro trader say trading is 50-50. So why does loss always take more point than win?
No.
Can I answer this one? It's
Go ahead.
Starboy, it's all in your head. It's in your head. I can prove it's in your head. We did it. We did it on stream. You can flip a coin. I literally talked about it an hour ago. You can flip a coin and do better than 80% of traders. Why do so many traders lose? Because they don't have a strategy, they don't have a plan, and they refuse to put in the legwork to have a strategy and a plan. If you don't have a strategy, you don't have a plan, you're not going to survive this market. Also, it's a mental game. People get in, they see red numbers, they get scared. Simply flipping a coin will beat 80% of traders. So set up a plan, set up a strategy, and follow it. Why do we always lose when it's 50-50? Because we keep changing plans. We won't follow it. That's not the market. That's us. Technically, it's harder to lose than it is to win. Trading in a way is a black mirror. It's you staring back at yourself saying, why wouldn't I just follow my plan? We seen it the other day where we all kept trying to buy the lows and we all knew not to do it. And yet we did it and lost money. So we can't blame the markets. The only person, does your screen reflect? Turn the screen off and you'll see who the problem is. Stick to your plan. Stick to your plan. Back test your plan. Do your plan 1,000 times till you know it over and over and over. And if you can't tell somebody your plan in 30 seconds, then you need to work on your plan some more. Hi there. I've been trading for 4 years, but I need $500 to buy a funded account to trade. Please help me. CJR, you are in luck. You look on the screen, there's a guy. Hold on. Is that futures floor under his name? You talk to him? Hold on, I'm gonna help you out even more. I'm gonna draw a circle around him. You see that? I got a circle. I'm gonna draw another circle. You see him? Futures floor. He's gonna give you the $500. I have my trading video on my channel, and this is not any promotion of my channel. You just want $500? Yes. Mike, tell him what he needs to do to get the $500.
I don't know. I can't think of anything funny on the spot like that. Okay, let's get some accounts passed. Oh, it's true. I wanted to just add a little more details to his story there. We did the coin flip. How did we set it up? We set it up. We were trading it in Apex. It had a 10-point stop loss and a 10-point take profit. So that was in automatically, immediately when we flipped the coin. When we took the trade. Omnius would flip. And if it was heads, we would go long. If it was tails, we would go short. We did it twice a day for 6 weeks. We did it at 11:15 and at 11:45. And at the end of the experiment, the account, the 50K account, which only traded that, was at like 51,006. And we had a 66% accuracy rate. So does that mean flipping a coin will give you a 66% accuracy rate and will pass an account for you? No. But what it does show is that when you follow the rules and you keep your 10-point stop loss and your 10-point take profit, on average, you should break even. Now, we went to the opposite side of the mean. Eventually, if we would have continued, it probably would have reverted back a little bit. But you would see stability as a break-even trader, which is why Omnius says you would be doing better than 80% of people because you would have stable break-even results. The 10 points where the take profit was in. And you know what other thing we did? Tell them about the second trade. The second trade was 85% accurate, I think, or 88% accurate. If we lost on the first trade, I had another account that would take the next trade. Same thing, 10 points. 10-point take profit, 10-point stop loss. I would only enter the trade on that account if the first one lost, and that account was doing like 88%. So even a simple system like that.
And then we did the chat's choice for a while.
Yep.
That was even doing pretty good too. Just random trades. You just keep a system, and over time it does pretty well. The problem is everybody keeps changing the system. How can you have a system if you change it every day? You need consistency in the market. Find something you like. It really doesn't matter what it is. Everything kind of works and kind of don't work. There's no magical strategies. Find something that you like, that you see value in, and that you can repeat day after day. And then find the things that you can do to make it better. By that, I mean kind of on the back end, order management, account management. Stop getting mad because you lost a trade and blowing your account.
Yeah, all those things come in where we beat ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's why the prop firms has such an advantage over
the
us.
market in general.
Yeah, but that's
don't really have it's not that they really have an advantage, it's that we have a disadvantage because the way the human brain works, we want to protect ourselves, and that really hurts ourselves.
Yeah, loss management. If you were to work on one thing, I would say work on your loss management. Learn how to lose. And how do I learn how to lose? How do I accept my losses? Keep them small. Trade small. Have a personal daily loss limit. Respect it. And then you go into a losing day and you go, oh, that was nothing. You know, find your level. Kind of levels I like to do. I like to look at the drawdown and divide it by 10. So, hold on a minute. So if I have $2,500 drawdown, I don't think my personal daily loss limit should be more than $250. So if you lose $250 on the account, that's it. Close it down. Oh, but I want to continue trading. Get another account. They're $15. But you see, you'll never damage your account.
That's kind of what I've been saying lately. Get you kind of like a screw it account.
Wait, no, not a screwed account, another traded account. Have a portfolio of them. You should have a portfolio of accounts with a bunch of firms. You shouldn't, I love Apex, but I'm not only with Apex. I'm with Apex, I'm with Bullinox, I'm with Earn to Trade, I'm with Taurus Arena, daytraders.com, and TopStep. That's my portfolio of accounts. And I hit PDLL in daytraders.com. I hit PDLL on one of my PAs with Apex. I switched to another one. But that account's not damaged because it's only a small amount. And I don't feel like I have to make it back because tomorrow I know one day and I'm back in business. I'm right back up again. So that's how you manage your losses in a way that it doesn't emotionally affect you. Okay, I'm going to leave that one there.
We're getting a sale again?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, man, wasn't really ready.
Did we get
we're doing Delta's
higher? We're going to get our first. You see, again, we're going to get our first higher swing high right here. There you go. It just formed. We got to close above this swing high. But here's the problem. we got a retrace that broke and closed below the swing low. So I still don't have an opportunity to take a long and try and catch the bottom. Again, the long is invalidated because the retrace closed below the most recent swing low. Yeah, I mean, now's the time to load up on accounts. Everybody is throwing the accounts at you for free. Taurus Arena, what are they? They sent me an email today. 3 accounts, any size, 25K, 50K, or 100K. I think it's, I don't know. I don't have the email in front of me. Maybe $60. You just got to put quantity 3 in the quantity box, and it'll give you the pricing, the proper pricing, the sale price pricing. Earn to trade. Sorry, I'm going to be very aggressive on this one. If you guys don't have an earn to trade Trader Career Path account, you're making a huge mistake. For $67 with no activation fee, you get an account, a 50K account that can grow to 400K. So I don't know why people are jumping on Take Profit Trader when earn to trade can turn your 50K account into a 400K account. That's like 8 50K accounts for the price of one with Take Profit Trader. Meaning you would need to buy 8 accounts with Take Profit Trader to equal what earn to trade will do for you for this, for even a better price. Wait a minute. No, Take Profit Trader is $119 for one 50K account. No activation fee when you pass. Earn to trade is $67, no activation fee. And your 50K account, you get paid when you hit the profit target. They move you to 100K, then 200K, and then 400K. So you're getting, for almost half the price of one Take Profit Trader account, you're getting the equivalent, access to the equivalent of 8 accounts. I mean, that's a no-brainer for me. That's the no-brainer deal. Someone just fell. Omnius hit his mic. I'm doing the same thing.
What happened?
I think you hit your mic or something.
All right.
And then if you like Apex has 90% off.
Messed all my stuff up.
Has 90% off. This is the time to create your portfolio of accounts.
What?
Find a firm that suits your needs. Like me and Omnius, we can't trade with MFFU. It doesn't suit our needs because they have a 15-second rule. Most of our trades are less than 15 seconds. What did we get? We got a tiger tooth trade.
Half of my trades, I get 15 seconds and I start squirming.
Oh, that was weird.
Yeah, it looks like we're going short again, but I done tried it once. Took some of my money, so I'm not gonna do it again.
Yeah, I got out. Why I said that was weird? Because I put in a join the ask and it was lower than the candle. I have no explanation for that.
We are above this trend line. We got to see what it wants to do now.
Mm-hmm.
Could go sideways, could go up, could still dump.
Yeah, I'm still in dump. Dump with a stop at 25,140, which is very far away. Hey, CGR. Hey, some new people today. It's nice to see that.
DJR, he's the one that wants you to give him $500.
Let me check my pockets, CJR. Damn it, I don't keep cash anymore. You take debit? All joking aside, you know what? I feel bad for all the guys, the homeless and stuff that ask for money, because we're almost a cashless society now. They got to start keeping debit machines. Or something. Crypto.
I didn't even laugh at that. That's messed
no,
up.
it's sad. You know, they're
true,
out there and everyone's passing. So you know how many times I want to give, like, not a lot. I'm not a guy that gives $20. You know, but okay, we have loonies and toonies here. Those are $2 coins. You know, throw a toonie in the bucket, but it's a cashless society now. It's like, I'm sorry, man. My pockets are. I just have plastic. I feel you, but I just got plastic.
I kind of feel bad because I was kind of rude when CJR asked for $500. I realized that I should have gave a different answer, and what I should have said was, CJR, just send me your bank account info and social security number, and I'll see what I can do. Okay.
Poor guy.
Also, if you give me your bank code, that'll probably make it a little bit easier too.
CJR, talk to me. Why do you need $500? I heard you say for an account. What kind of account do you need for $500? I just gave a whole sermon on how the accounts now are like $15, $16, $17 a piece. You can get 3 at Taurus Arena for $69, 100K accounts. You can get 300K at Taurus Arena for $69. Why in God's name do you need $500? You want to open up a personal account? Lose it? Why not get 3 accounts for $69, lose those, get another 3 accounts for $69, lose those. At least you have like 9 tries. And I'm not saying 9 tries to gamble, but at least, well, if Funding Pips wants $500 for an account, you're at the wrong firm. I mean, seriously. Like, that's the firm that opened up and said, hey, what if we charge $500? No way, we can't do that. Everyone's charging $30. Yeah, we'll do it. Some people will pay us. I know this guy, CJR, he wants to give us $500 for one account. Nah, those days are over, CJR. That's history. It's an instant funding account, 100K for $500. That's still a lot of money. My son got 100 or 150K instant funded for $300. He picked up a bunch of them. '23 August. Ooh, Starboy. Starboy. You know what? I don't know. Should I open my mouth?
Did you think hard about it so you closed it?
I'm thinking. Should I open my mouth? Do I want to make this commitment? Is it even legal?
Sorry, boy, I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at Mike. Just so we're clear.
You know what I'm thinking?
I don't know.
No, you don't have an idea.
Sound like my wife. You know what I'm thinking? Like, I have no freaking idea. Just
really?
spit it out.
Yeah, I'm not sure. So I'll wait till I'm sure. Give me. Currently, I'm still with Tradeify, 100K. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, man.
I would say trading is a journey. It's go through highs, you go through lows. We're all just trying to be as consistent as we possibly can. And don't try to make those super large days. Everybody's trying for these huge days.
Yep, that's another power of the portfolio.
And some people do great with the huge days. Don't get me wrong. Everybody has to do their own thing. It's hard to really say because somebody's gonna come along and they're gonna say, "Hey, I do $10,000 days and I'm great at it." Okay, fine. There's people that are gonna do great at it. But you have to find what works for you. What is keeping you not so much making money, but consistent. If you're consistent, you're making money. If you're making money, you're losing it. So what's keeping you consistent?
CJR, if I have time, I'll take a look later today. But guys, I'll tell you another lesson I kind of learned just recently. And in my opinion, I've been doing this all wrong. For the longest time, I've been trying to make too much money on one account and paying the price because I wasn't happy with 50. I mean, I could make $100 to $200 pretty consistently without even trying, but that wasn't good enough. And actually, even in the beginning with lower amounts, I would say $50, that's garbage. But then I said, you know what? $50 times 20 accounts, which is easy, no stress. And I'm not saying 20 accounts with Apex, although that's a possibility, but 20 accounts, spread out among 5-6 firms. That's $1,000 a day. That's $5,000 a week. $20,000 a month. Yes, you're going to have losing days, so cut that by, let's say, 40% maybe. But I'm just saying, the power of $50 of small days across multiple accounts. Again, I'm a very active scalper, so I can move from one account to another. I could trade 20 accounts. I probably take 100 trades a day. So I can move from one account to another. I don't, Oh, by the way, there we go. If you guys were looking to catch a bottom, now we have it. We finally have a close above a previous swing high. There's your close. Now the only thing we need is this retrace not to break the previous swing low down here. And once we get...
Guys, I got a drink. I'll be back in a minute.
Yeah, once we get a continuation move, that would be an opportunity for someone trying to catch a bottom to potentially take a trade. I'm not telling you to take a trade. This is entertainment only. I'm not a licensed professional. You have to make your own calls, your own trades. I'm just telling you what I see. Sir, if you check my trading accounts, I've been making 600 consistently every day, but they are practice accounts. 600 is fantastic. I mean, but again, I don't know what size you're trading. I don't know if that's responsible trading. You got to figure if your trading is sustainable. I suggest to make 1K a day. What did you think? Again, those are just numbers you're throwing at me. They're not, you got to relate, you got to provide more details. I suggest to make 1K a day on 20 accounts. I suggest to make 1K a day on 300K account with this amount of drawdown and this amount of risk per trade. There's details you're missing in that question. A day? Look, it's not wrong. It's not wrong, but it has to be structured properly. I don't know if there's proper structure. And if you haven't taken a payout in a long time, I would assume the structure isn't right. The best traders will tell you only one thing. Stop focusing on how much you want to make and how much you can make, and focus on your losses only. The winning trades just appear. The market pays you what it wants to pay you. You can't focus on a number. I take my trades. I try to risk. I have a 73% strategy, and I try to get in at a point where I'm making 11 or 12 points and risking 10 points. So it's a little better than 1-to-1, but it's 73%. That's my main system. But my job is only to manage the risk and the losses. Let the market go in my favor and pay me what it pays me. Sometimes, like before, I was in a trade. I'm targeting 10 points, but it shot up 23 points before I could even react. So the market pays you what it pays you. But your job is to manage the downside. And there's multiple facets to that. You have to manage your daily drawdown. You have to manage your per trade drawdown. And you have to use numbers that are, what's the word? Sustainable. I could put you on a roulette wheel. Hold on a minute. CGR, I've been trading, same trading straight for 2 years, and the win ratio is 6%, 1 to 2. This is average 100K, and the max I made for the day in a 100K account. Okay, those sounds like good numbers. I don't know what you mean with 1 to 2. That means you make 50 cents for every dollar you risk. If you make, or does that mean you make $1 for every 50 cents you risk? Because if you're making 50 cents 60% of the time, that's 3. And then you're losing $1, 4%. Oh, yeah, you still have positive edge. No, do you? Really? 60%? Hold on. If 60% of the time you lose $1, that's $3. And 40% of the time you make I'm getting it wrong. 1 for every 50 cents. I'm getting it wrong. Hold on. My brain's farting. I think I'm tired. You make $1 for every 50 cents. So if you make $1 for every 50 cents, you didn't really clarify. You said 1 for every 50. 1 profit for every 50-cent risk, for every 50-cent loss. I mean, that's phenomenal. That means on 100 trades, let's do it easy. You'll make $60. And then on the other 40 trades, you'll lose 20. 40 trades times 50 cents. So that's good edge. And the other way around, if you're making 50 cents on 60 trades, that's $30. And then on 40, you're losing $1. No, that's minus 10. And in that case, you have negative edge. But I lost my train of thought. Oh, yeah, it has to be consistent. Imagine I put you on a roulette wheel. And what does a roulette wheel have? 36 spaces with 1 green. Let's say we're going to use European roulette. 37 spaces. 18 are red, 18 are black. But I'm going to put you on a magic roulette wheel. All of them are black. None of them are red, except for the 1 green. If you bet everything you have on every spin, you will go bankrupt, even though 36 spaces are black and 1 of them is green, because eventually green will land. So it's not sustainable. Yeah, if you come in and you say to yourself, I'm going to make 10 bets and leave and never do it again, it's a different story. But if you're going to be doing this day after day after day, it needs to be sustainable. Sustainable means you can do it today, you can do it tomorrow, you can do it the next day, and over and over and over. And you can't bet your entire amount, even if one peg is green and all the others, or 1 space is green and all the others are black. So you need to figure out your risk plan that's sustainable, or to develop a risk plan that's sustainable day after day after day. That's why, you guys are throwing numbers at me. I don't know if those are sustainable. Yeah.
Mike, you ever have that one trade and you're like, this is an amazing trade. It's like the A+ setup. Like, I'm taking that trade every single time I see it. Right?
Mm-hmm.
But you know what? Even that trade loses sometimes.
It does. Probably 25%.
Every time I see them.
Probably 25% of the time.
So you have to manage risk. You have to be consistent. You have to use consistent sizing for, I don't know. I hate to say consistent sizing because I change my sizing all the time, but.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Relatively consistent. You want as much in the market. A lot of the market's random. You want as much as you can to be consistent and repeated day after day. You almost want to be able to show up and not have to think about it. It's like, okay, I see my setup, I take it. It wins, it loses, it doesn't matter. Over the last 20 trades, how are you doing?
Yes, CGR.
If you know you have edge over your last 20 trades, 50 trades, 100 trades, then the psychology is a lot easier.
I was going to say CGR, the fact that you had a 1 to 11, that's irrelevant. That's just an outlier trade. It's your average that you need to look at. They're fun, those trades to look at, but so I'm in a long. Why am I in a long? Because this candle here turned white. We got a retrace. We broke higher. The retrace didn't break the dotted line. We got a white candle. Where's my stop? My stop is under the swing low over here. Watching it closely.
I was actually thinking of short when you said you was in a long.
Well, it is counter trend, but this is the one trade that I'll take that's counter trend.
But we're still at yesterday's low.
Yeah, it is, but we're above it. I mean, it looks like it's going to stop me up, but we never know. I'm going to give it a little bit more room. It might spike it and then go back up again.
Mm-hmm.
I hate giving it a little bit more room. The best thing I'd like to see is for that candle to turn white to take out the high of the previous candle. That's really what I'm hoping for. And then we can maybe get a run. What would be nice also to see if we can close this bearish for value gap. So a close over 25. I don't know what that is. Hold on. That'll make my trade look really strong. Get a close over 25, 155. 20 points higher. The average range is 25. We can do that in 1 minute. What does your volume look like? What's it telling you? Is it telling you I'm going to lose money or make money? Oh, looking a little bit better. Push. Let's get out push. Where's Mr. Push?
Low volume, isn't it?
Come on, push now. Do a nice push for us, yes. Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
Push. That's OF. That's OFT for you guys, if you guys don't know. Only futures trading or something like that. He used to stream. Okay, a little bit. Added a little bit. I'm out, just to let you guys know. I told you, I'm a super scalper. If it comes back down, I'll probably get back in again. But I should have been targeting the swing high, the liquidity at 25,204 at the previous day's close. That's probably the target. That's the intelligent target. It's 11 o'clock. Hey, you like my new background? Omnius. With the bricks.
Can't really see it.
Oh, no. Take a look at this. How am I going to take a look at it? You can't post pictures or links. I'll go take a look. I'll go take a look. This jury duty is boring. Hey, you're not supposed to be on your phone, Skeletor, during jury. You have to give all your attention to the case.
They don't do the case at first. They just show up a pool of people, and then they start kicking them all out.
Well, is that what he is? He's on jury selection or jury duty?
I would assume jury selection.
Yeah, I think he's past that already. Skeletor, is it jury selection or you're already past? I'm in the pool.
Intellect, good morning. Do you trade Bitcoin? We watch it
you
sometimes, but we don't actively trade it.
YouTube doesn't allow. That's what I'm telling you. I'll go take a look on your, I'll click onto your channel later. Let me see if I can do that now, just to load it up. I don't think, no, I can't right now. I'll have to do it later.
sure Bitcoin's going to hit 81 within a week. Let's take a look.
Give me the name of the video that you want me to look at. Type that in. I'll take a look later. While I'm having my lunch, I'll watch your video.
Intellect, I think you're right. I think Bitcoin will probably hit 81 or even down to 75. I don't know within a week, but I think it's going down.
81,000.
I have a ETF called BITO, and as it goes down, it's going to keep buying me more. So I like the idea of Bitcoin going down. And I'll write it down and average in as it's going down. You can ask me any security, I can give you target. Okay, Nasdaq, NQ.
I can give you target too. Doesn't mean it'll hit it, but I can give you a target.
Hi.
I'm just saying. Me too, I want to compete. Me too, I want to give targets. I want to give a target. Okay, let's take this trade a little bit larger and hopefully pull some decent money out of it. Come on, push, up. Oh, fuck you, up. What am I long at? 47. Oh boy, we're down. Oh, we're gonna have to stop out.
What's going on my chart?
Where is it written in the universe that every time I take a larger position, it has to lose? How did that get coded into the universe?
It's written somewhere.
How did that get coded into the universe?
Intellect, welcome to the stream. Appreciate you stopping by and chatting with us.
He's leaving already?
Please hit the like button. If you want to give us a call out on Nasdaq, NQ, or MNQ. I got the chart up now. Like to hear what other people's thoughts are. Come up with trade ideals, talk about strategies. That way we can all improve ourselves and beat the market as a team. While we don't directly trade Bitcoin or crypto, we do talk about it from time to time. So subscribe to the channel and let's work together. And my co-stream partner, Mike from Futures Floor, would really like to know where NQ is going to go in the next hour. Right, Mike?
This is, yep. No Santa rally. Yeah, maybe not. Well, my long is still holding. It didn't, not only is the long still holding, we got another entry again. The long is looking good.
Skeletor, that Santa rally, not looking so good. But if we can get above this 25,400, we can maybe start to think about it.
I'll be back. I'm going to go take a break. Anybody want to guess what I have to do?
Get coffee. I'm not going to say the other part out loud again. Skeletor, WTF. We trade futures. Pasta? Oh, yeah, pasta. Intellect. One of our friends was trading crypto. He trades the moon cycle. If you trade crypto, do you trade the moon cycle? I like futures because I can show up and trade the Nasdaq every day. The Nasdaq is interesting and exciting almost every day of the year. I don't have to search through stocks. I don't have to search through Forex. I don't have to search through crypto. Futures is already leveraged. It's built in, so you can make as much money as you want. And you can start off small and scale. Just keep in mind, if you're trying to make $10,000 a day, you're probably also risking $10,000 a day. If you want to find consistency, try for a consistent amount. Guys, I'm going to be back soon. Starboy, see you when you get back. Appreciate you hanging out. We'll probably be doing the qualifiers before too long, so come back before too long. Other than YouTube, where are you guys live? We're live on YouTube. I don't know. Other than YouTube, where would people like to see us live? Y'all have other places you'd like to see us live? Then let us know. And as we get more and more people letting us know about that, we can work on moving to that platform.
Oh, I thought you said more places. I thought we're going on tour.
I think so. We're being asked where else are we live?
Live from Alabama this week. From Georgia. We'll join ERB. Where's Butters from?
Live. Coming live to a city near you.
The city near you.
Probably never.
The real question is, when is Omnius going to invite me over to his home? When is he going to say, Mike, I know you're suffering with the winter there. Your arthritis is probably killing you. Why don't you come here? It's warm. We have an extra room for you. You can play with my kids. You can swim in our pool.
My kids probably bite. We don't have a pool. What else was there? I think Skeletor is going to invite you over to his house.
You can eat supper with us every night. Come on, take me
And
out.
your wife already goes to Miami.
Holy shit. Ooh, that was a mistake.
He might even have a pool. Skeletor, do you have a pool?
I'll bring you fishing.
I heard, I don't want to put it out there, but I heard a rumor about a New Year's party at Skeletor's house.
Live on Discord. Live on Discord. Why? I don't know. I don't see the purpose of a live on Discord. It would be the same thing. You would see our charts. You would see our faces. There's no difference. Guys, I'm going to be back soon. Starboy went to take a dump. Other than that, where do you guys live? What did you answer him? In a home? This is the title of the video. You didn't give it to me. CJR, you just wrote this is the title of the video. After that, I have my chat. I'm going back. CJR wanted me to watch a video. He gives me this is the title of the video, and after that, it's Skeletor.
Trading, making $2,088.
Now
it's the video, man.
Yeah, no, it didn't show. I had to go to live chat. Sorry, CJR. My fault. I wasn't on live chat. I was on top chat or something.
I see making 1,500. There it is right there. I already got the video. Like, why are you always so far behind?
Post the link in Discord.
No.
Okay. You're going to make me look for it. I'm I'm singing heart songs.
What's the trade? Okay, so breaks through resistance, comes back as support. Nice bullish green candle. Sorry, I can't talk. I hear this guy talking too, which I guess is CJR. Okay, what was I saying? Back to support, green candle up. I like it. Good trade.
So for anyone who's interested, how I was mentioning how you would get into a trade and avoid getting taken apart trying to catch a bottom. Remember I said, wait for the swing high to change, to get a higher one, wait for a bullish retrace, go long. And if you get below a swing low, you stop out. We didn't get below the swing low, and we've gone up. And if you put your stop at the swing low, you've already made more than 1-to-1. We know you got, just a little bit more than 1-to-1. And now if you want to have a continuation trade, wait to break a swing low and do the exact opposite. Get a pullback that doesn't take out the swing high and get continuation. But at least we didn't try over and over and over and over and over and over and over trying to catch a low. We waited to see some kind of change of momentum.
It looks like intellect trades also. Got a few traders. How the stock market can make you rich. Explained simply. Pretty cool. Intellect, you still there? I subscribe if you're still here. Where's our friend CJR?
Hey, Nefemi. CJR is over here.
CJR, I subscribe to your channel. Maybe you'll subscribe to mine and Mike's.
Maybe.
We'll work on this trading thing together. I guess Intellect didn't. I guess he's not still here. Okay. No Fammy, good morning. CJR still here. CJR, as I subscribe to your channel. Watch some of your videos. Nefemi, how's today going? CJR, I have subscribed to you guys. Sweet. Nefemi, today, a few wins, few losses. All in all, a little on the green side. Not too bad. Not bad for a Monday. I didn't make it rich today. I was supposed to be rich today, but.
Way to go, CGR. Thank you. Appreciate it for the subscription. I'm still trying to figure out maybe what Omnius says is true. Maybe I have a strategy that's interfering with the colors. Let me turn off all my strats. We did get a tiger tooth trade.
Well, you do have something painting the candles because you had the blue candles in there.
No, turned them all off. There, it's not changing to Dodger blue on the upside. Something's weird. Anyways, whatever. What's tiger teeth? Tiger teeth went long? Yeah, tiger tooth. Tiger tooth went long. Caught a nice winner.
Nefemi, break even on the day. Sweet. Nefemi, I actually think break even on the day is a good position because if you break even on the day, what does that say? It says that you jumped in the market and you put that risk on and you still got out at break even. So to me, I think break even is still a good spot. Imagine if you jump in a tiger's cage or something, right? And you run around the cage and you get out without the tiger eating you. It was still a pretty good day, huh?
It's a friggin' good day.
You never felt more alive in your life than
You
the
didn't
day
get
you fell into a tiger's cage.
and came
Ran
out
around
on,
with a tiger chasing you,
and you didn't come out bleeding.
and you got out alive. So then you walking down the street, somebody says, "Sir, how's your day?" And you reply, "It's a mighty fucking good day." It really is. So maybe break even doesn't sound good, but I don't know. I mean, maybe I'm just on the positive side of life. I don't know. I think break even's a good day.
Good morning, cashier.
Cashier, good morning.
How are we doing? Is my players list updating? Is cashier there? If cashier is there, yeah, there you go. Everybody's in. Okay, so whoever typed is in there. We're missing a few people. Guys, if you don't see your name on the list, type in ! giveaway, because I'm not
I don't
checking.
see my name.
Oh, sorry. So we're over there. Let me move it over. There you go. If you don't see your name on the list, you got to type in ! giveaway, because I don't track it. We got Skeletor, Miss K, Louie, Futures Floor, Starboy, Medink, Smooth Operator, and Cashier. The other two guys, CJR, you're not in? Then you didn't type in, yeah, you didn't type in ! giveaway. You just typed in giveaway. You got to put in the exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is what the system looks for before the word. You know, because otherwise it would be recording names all the time. People would type in, what time is the giveaway? Oh, no, that's give way. You see, you made a spelling mistake. You're still not in. It's give away. We're getting there. There we go. ERB. Oh, I wonder if that works. I think that might work. Let me see if ERB just got put in. No, not yet. No, I don't think you can put in giveaway game. Wait, give it a sec. Give it a sec to update. Sometimes it's slow. There's CJR. Okay, well, he fixed it. That's all I have ever typed in. Really? Maybe it, no, still didn't take it. SP King. I'll type you in ERB. Guys, did you know ERB is a double winner? ERB is the only one that managed to win both the evening and the morning stream giveaway. And I gotta tell you, his evening win was pretty spectacular. I don't think that will ever be topped. The fun and the excitement of that one, the drama that one created. Order filled? Am I in a trade? May I know the rules of the giveaway? Oh, I'm so tired, CJR. ERB, yeah, for you, the stress almost took me out. Yeah, I was on the edge of my seat. I was loving it. I was loving it. I was loving the torture it was putting you through. I gotta be honest. You know, look, it's not a car we're giving away or $1 million. But still, imagine if you had, imagine if it was for that. If it was for some huge prize and you had to play the other player's hand. Holy shit. And you tie like that? Holy Christ. CJR, what are the rules? During the week, we run qualifiers. We run a game. We have a whole bunch of proprietary games. We run those games, and whoever wins. You know what? I had enough trading. What time is it? It's 11:20. I think I'm being greedy. continuing to trade. I think it's time to call it quits.
I don't know. I'm looking for a pullback.
Yeah, okay, you do that. I'm closing my scalping system, and if my scalping system isn't open, I can't take a trade. But nice long. The long, see, caught a nice long. Again, that's why I say, guys, doesn't matter that it worked. It could have failed. This candle could have dipped a little lower and taken it out, taken the trade out. It's irrelevant. What's relevant is the fact that at least you're not getting chopped up trying to catch the long 15 times before you hit once. You know, you wait for the setup. You wait to show that we're breaking structure with a higher swing high, and then wait for a pullback and get in. If you stopped out, you lost one trade. You don't keep entering over and over and over and over. That's your swing at the bat. That's your pitch down the plate. You take your swing. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. In my opinion, not financial advice. We're not licensed professionals. You got to trade your own trades, trade on demo. You know the drill. Okay, let's get some games open here. What are we playing today? Duck race. Play duck race. No. Prop drop. There we go. I'm not watching the charts anymore. This is what we play. CJR. Hamza. Good morning, Hamza. Let's see if you got put in. Yes, you did. So, CJR. You see the winner's pit? First, you got to break through the wall of resistance. You got to break through resistance. You got to get onto the right side of the board. You got to find your way into the winner's pit. If you stop out in this game, you're out. If you make it into the winner's pit, you've qualified for Friday's final. And on Friday, we play this game or another game. Like I said, we have a bunch of them, and whoever wins on Friday gets the account. So today are qualifiers. And as Omnius always says, get the message up properly. So let's get the message up. Right now, it's the wrong message. Qualifer. Spelt it wrong.
Qualifer.
Qualifer.
Qualifer. Yeah, it's a qualifer. So what?
There we go. It's a little dark. Why are the letters so...
I guess I should be putting it up, huh?
It says yellow.
The futures floor.
Okay, who cares? Good enough. Okay, let me set up the names. It's going to take a little while. Futures floor, Omnius. Skeletor. Oh, by the way, if any of you guys... I thought about trading anyways. I will try. I thought it was about trading. Yeah, it is about trading. You stop out. You take profits. You got to break through resistance. Just so you guys know, for all you new guys here, if you come into my stream or Omnius' stream, and you type in ! giveaway before we start talking, you get 2 entries in every qualifier. So this morning, Skeletor, who is also a reigning champion, got in with 2 in the morning. Miss K was close, but didn't make it. Skeletor -2. And where's my list? Okay, Diet Coke. Diet Coke can't win. Diet Coke is a market maker, so is Omnius and Futures. If we hit the pit, we run it again. Miss K911. Louis Pama. Louis Pama, are you still around? Where did you take off? Control, copy, Starboy. We definitely have to automate this. Can't keep going like this.
I thought you had it copy and paste.
No, you do on yours, not on my version. Your version is the you did it on the portrait one?
Yeah.
And I never
Gotta work on some things. There's so much going on.
Yeah.
It's not going to stop anytime soon.
Wife is sick.
This whole month's probably going to be freaking nonstop.
No, come on. Don't worry about it. You don't have to spend that much effort trying to find me a Christmas present. Serious. I don't want you to put that much time into it. Just get me something simple.
Barely figure out what to give the wife.
Yeah, but I'm new. Anything you get me is good. Even a coffee cup. Save and apply. I'm just bugging you. Don't get me anything. When is the game going to start? When is the game going to start, Omnius? For God's sakes.
Here's what you do. Here's what you do. You either tell your wife or your daughter, you look at them right in the eyes, and with a serious face, you say, Omnius said to go get me some white nutty bars for Christmas.
Yeah.
2 boxes.
You know what? Okay, CJR. It's 10 o'clock where CJR is, so.
You know why I said the wife or the daughter, right?
Because the boys won't do it.
The boys will look at you and be like, yeah, okay, Dad.
Okay, let's get a couple of these out of the way, and then we can call it quits, and I can post a video. I have a video to post. Guys, if you want to check it out, I'm going to be posting a video about Earn to Trade, a recap of our podcast last week. If you don't know what Earn to Trade is, there's 2 types of prop firms. It's a prop firm that wants to see you fail, and the prop firm that works for you to progress to higher and higher levels. Completely different model. 50K account goes to 400K. And they put you to live as soon as you pass your eval. You have a choice. They don't put you to live. You have a choice. Live or sim. But after you hit your target, they pay you, and then they'll move you to live automatically. And at that point, you're in a 100K account. Hit your target, they pay you, you go to a 200K account. Hit your target, they pay you, you go to a 400K account. Nobody has that in the industry. They didn't just start out. They've been doing this for over a decade. The model's always been the same. They've never changed. That's who they've been. That's who they are. And for $67, no activation fee, it's by far the greatest deal out there in my opinion. Okay, come on. I have kids and I have doubts. He has doubts.
Doubts about what?
He has doubts if he can make it into the winner's pit. Let's go. Fire or burst? Which one? I think fire. For CJR, fire. Let's see if we can get him into the stop out pit right away. You're good on this? You ready to go?
Trying to figure out who's entered the giveaway.
Intellect didn't type in exclamation mark giveaway. Everyone's in.
What does it say? Futures floor. Medine?
Meding. Over here, where I'm number 1. You're number 2. Meding is number 9.
Okay. CJR says fire.
Fire. We're gone. Where's CJR? Medink stopped out. Hamza stopped out. I don't see CJR. CJR is all the way in the top. Oh, CJR is flirting with the stop out. I'm watching CJR.
Good luck. Yep. Good luck, guys.
I got my eyes on CJR. He almost stopped out again. No, he's now floating around the top. He's going for the stop out pit. No, he hits the post. That was close. CJR, you flirted with it. Oh, you're going to float down near it again. CJR. Oh, I'm sorry, CJR. You tried. SP King stopped out. Nobody's breaking.
Man, he was speaking too.
Nobody's breaking through the resistance. Yeah, the markets are down today. If you want to break through resistance, you got to try. There's a little crack. There's a little crack. Wow, and nothing else is white, eh? Whew. We haven't seen this too often. Cashier almost makes it through. There we go. We're going to have another crack in the resistance wall at any moment. Futures is going to open it up. Futures sells a large lot. Trade size. Breaks through the resistance. Smooth operator stopped out. Who do we got left? Skeletor. Skeletor. Well, you know who's going to win this one.
I don't know. It might be futures or
Yeah. But look at Skeletor. There's just
not over till
Skeletor.
it's over.
It's Skeletor versus Skeletor. How funny is that?
I will say Skeletor does train his balls. Omnius.
Yes, guys, you should hope that Omnius or Futures can win, because if one of us wins, we run it. Futures made it onto the right side of the board.
Me or futures makes it, then we start the game over.
Gonna get a little bit of a bounce. I'm going right into the pit, guys. Boom!
What?
Let's make the breakout bricks a little bit easier to get through. And let's do a higher launch speed. And let's do smaller balls.
See, guys, we do that. So even if y'all stop out, then there's still a chance. It's not over.
You all have hope. Once again. Apply settings. Let's change the pegs a little bit. And fire. Smooth operator again, out quickly. ERB consult. Futures. Futures is looking good, but Medink is looking very good too. Medink, you're in a much better place than Futures is. Yeah, I knew it. Futures is going to shoot across, but Medink, you look like you can. Oh, Medink, I had hopes for you. Futures is going to go across to the left side again. Here we go. Louis Pama coming in to the right side. Futures still threatening, but not in a good place. Louis in a good place. I think Louis is going to float. If he gets a bounce, if he gets a deflection. Louis, you're trying, Louis. Medink. Oh, Medink, you had it. If you didn't get bumped, you would have had it. Skeletor knocked you off your path. Miss K, we got a lot of players threatening here. Medink, Skeletor, SP King. SP King is looking good based on his
Miss K, I'm back.
Board.
Just in time to see if you win.
Oh, flies over the pit. Louis was going, but he got knocked out. CJR almost knocks me. CJR is Miss K911. Way to go, Miss K911. You snuck in under CJR's armpit and took it from him as he was floating over the board.
That was a good battle.
Yeah, it was a good
GG
battle.
in the chat for Miss K.
That was a good board.
Eat.
Where's my file?
Like, I know you talked about the Earn the Trade. Did you talk about the Apex and the Bullinox?
No, go ahead.
Which one you want to talk about first? Guys, Apex, 90% off. Mike, what is it? $65 activation?
$65 activation. Yeah. So it's about $80 all in.
So about $80 all in. Their end of year Christmas sale. So if you're looking to re-up accounts, if you want to trade smaller with more accounts,
yep, get a portfolio
that's
going,
the way
guys.
to do it. Get a portfolio, different accounts. Stop putting everything into one account.
And over risking. It's not sustainable.
And over risking and over leveraging. Pick you up a few accounts.
CJR, don't go anywhere. We're playing two more.
links and codes in the description. So everything's made easy. And we want to try to get you the best discounts to be able to trade at the cheapest price. Also, Bullinox, 91% off. You get an eval for like $15. So,
And there's
great
Taurus.
great opportunities in the market right now for futures. Amazing time to be a trader.
TaurusArena.com. They're also a sponsor. They give us accounts to give away. Right now they have 3 accounts. You have to enter in the quantity 3, but any size for I think $69. So that's $23 an account. You can get 3 100K accounts for $23. They also have an account with no activation that I think is $77. I don't know the exact prices, but you know, if I'm off by like $5 or $6 on either one, so it's irrelevant. So yeah, 2 good deals over there also. You can get end of day drawdown with Taurus Arena on their no activation account. So basically, in my opinion, everybody is beating Take Profit Trader. They're pretty much the most expensive right now, Take Profit Trader. They haven't reacted to the holidays.
Right now, everybody's fighting for the cheapest they can get. End of year sale. After the holidays, everything's going to go back up. And everybody's going to be left saying, man, I wish I'd have got me an account or 2.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda, yep.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we run one more right away.
I don't know. You think the chat wants to?
I have
I don't
no
know if
idea.
they want to.
They're not saying anything. Oh, we got a...
Guys, y'all want to run another one right away? I don't know.
Well, they're thinking...
I think Miss K wants to. I
Miss
guess most of the guys don't want to.
Hey guys, you want to give Miss K an extra ball in the next one, seeing as she won? Hey, that's right. Every winner in the qualifier should get an extra ball in the next one. How unfair would that be?
They already got a ball in.
Yeah, how unfair would that be, eh? we think of rules that piss people off. What could piss people off and say, hey, how come not me? Miss K, where are you from? I don't think you ever told me. Or you know what? Are you from Florida? Maybe you told me. I'm just curious. Are you from Florida? Another ball for Miss K. Okay. First one to speak up. That's always the rule. First one to speak up. And the first one to speak up was Skeletor, and he says another ball for Miss K. You know why he says that?
What's that, North Dakota?
I wish I'm in North Dakota. Yeah. It's funny. You read it as ND. I read it as North Dakota. Who are you asking to? I was asking to everybody.
What's wrong with North Dakota?
Nothing. What's wrong with it?
Fun. Or is there a lot of snow there right now?
Winter, yeah.
What is it here? 55 degrees? I'm getting used to it or something. I was out yesterday. I think it was like 60 or so. It's kind of hot.
Hey, CJR, welcome from India. Good job. There's a lot of trading going on in India. Indonesia, Portugal. They're strong traders.
Crazy meeting people from all around the world. South Africa, India, China, Japan.
We don't get people from Australia. I want to get some Australians in here. Okay, let's run it.
Guys, if y'all know anybody from Australia, y'all give them a call. Come hang out.
Let them know.
That way we can officially say we're trading down under.
What do I want to do? Let's get a shit ton of pegs.
Guys, real quick. This is very important, guys. If y'all are watching the stream and you think to yourself, WTF, it's true. We trade futures.
Oh,
tough crowd. It was kind of funny. Yeah, what can you do? Blame the other guy.
I like it.
You could have laughed. They would have laughed. But no, blew the whole joke. I might have to get me a laugh track like they do in the other shows. Now burst. CJR says burst.
Burst it is. Apply settings. Let me see. Boom. Oh, burst. I made a clear path right into the stop out pit. Do you see it? You looking?
Oh, goodness.
Look. Follow my mouse.
I see it.
Boom, right down like that. Doo! I timed it perfectly. Can I do it one time?
Do it.
I think I got this. I put it too strong. I put the gun too strong.
Do it.
Oh, well. Ms. K, one of your balls are stopped out. You still got another one. Skeletor, one of yours are out, but you still got another one. Nobody
Mike,
else
are you
has
saying
two.
Miss K has 2 balls?
Yep. In the game. SP King trying to make it over to the right side all on his own. He's going to get a nice little push over to the right side. SP King would float right in it. He hits the post. Futures again. My balls are polished. Thank God for that post, for that peg. Because I'm doing pretty damn good. I seem to know what to do. Starboy. CJR, you're going for it? Oh, CJR, what are you doing? Man, you just needed like a little more momentum. You would have made it. You would have taken profit. Try again. Try again. Get a good bounce. You're off in the right area. You're near take profit. Oh, CJR, another flyby. Looking at it, checking it out. SP King, thinking about it. Smooth operator comes in and says, nope, changed my mind, going back to the left side of the board. Hamza, who just showed up late, comes in. Nope, doesn't like it again. Smooth operator comes back to the right side of the board. Nobody's hanging around the right side of the board. Everyone's checking it out, but saying it's not safe. ERB is going to take it. I think ERB is going to, no, he goes back to the left side of the board. CJR comes in for another look. Nope, changes his mind again. Oh, he just got a trade. I just heard the alert. CJR is going to try. He makes it. CJR, go CJR. CJR.
Guys, you know what to do. Type GG in the chat for CJR.
CGG. Okay. Don't get too excited. That's just the qualifier. CJR, now you got to show up on Friday and see if you win. Oh, yes. That was fun. I enjoyed that thoroughly.
What do we got? 1144.
We'll run
Is that
one
2?
more.
One more?
Yeah. One more file save. Give CJR
You sure the
an
guys
extra-
want to run another one? Maybe ask him. I don't know.
Yeah. CJR -2 gets an extra ball. Should we run another one, CJR will get another ball because he won that one. Save and apply. So he gets an extra ball.
Miss K, I do.
You know what's fun, guys? When we run the single version game, when everybody gets to play alone with 1 or 2 market makers, I could make the wall easy to go through. You want to see? Oh no, yeah, we'll do that later. We'll run a game for the first 2 people that write in the chat. Omnius is always mean to futures floor.
Look, I'm the nicest guy on this show.
Whoever the first 2 players to write that in my chat will get to play against 2 market makers on their own with an easy wall to break through.
Oh my God, he really don't
This
like
is
that.
always me. Yeah, I know, Miss K. That's the point I'm trying to make.
Miss K, do you really think I'm mean to him? He's mean to me.
You know, she wrote
Picks on me,
always.
Picks on me, talks about my beard. His wife told me.
Always.
His wife told me he talks about my beard in his sleep.
Well, we got Miss K and Starboy. We got 2 of you. Okay, so we got now. Come on, man. I know. Always. I know. That's the thing. It's always. I never get a break.
He treats me like a red-bearded stepchild.
I never get a break. You know what? I keep talking about what he's going to get me for Christmas. No one ever says, hey, Mike, what are you going to get him for Christmas?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mike, I thought I was getting attacked yesterday. I was at the bar
Okay.
with the kids. This lady comes running over to me.
No
And
way.
starts talking to me. I thought I was going to get attacked or something. And she's like, I know you don't know me and it's weird. Just kind of run over here and start talking to you. And she's like, but you look exactly like my son. And I was like, yeah, we got red beards. We all look the same, right? And she tells me that her son died 2 years ago in a motorcycle wreck.
Mm.
And then
Ouch.
she showed me a picture of him. She even had a picture on her vest. And I was like, well, that's sad.
Oh, that's more than sad. If any of you are
And,
parents.
He had a red beard just like mine. I was like, oh, he's even got the same haircut. I told my wife, she said, well, did you give her a hug? I said, no, I probably should have. It was just kind of all so fast. I didn't know what to say. I'm not good with stuff like that.
No, me neither. That makes me, I don't want to say it makes me uncomfortable, but I don't know what other word to say, but that's crushing. That's absolutely crushing.
I mean, she seemed awfully happy to see me.
Yeah. Yeah, well, you brought her...
I mean, I was nice to her and everything. I just was all like in the moment super fast, and I was like, what do you do? What do you do?
Okay, we got a lot of on our menu. We gotta do a single version game after for Miss K and Starboy.
All right, run it, fire, burst, whatever.
I don't know. Let me see what the game is. I took it off the board here. There we go. We're back up. Does it show? It's up. Let's just make sure CJR got his ball. Save and apply.
CJR, what time is it where you're at? We always like hearing these different times. Another round.
Yay, another round. More pegs. easier to break through the bricks. Let's go. Hey, you know what? I know what I like? I like when we can't even see the pegs. And you wonder why you're bouncing around. Okay, fire or burst, Omnius. You can call it for one.
Let CJR call it.
CJR. Okay, CJR.
CJR, fire or burst?
Fire is one ball at a time. Burst is everyone out at the same time. No advantages.
Uh-oh. Somebody's at my door. All right, give me a minute.
We're giving him a minute while my cat tries to break into the cookies.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and go. I'll be back in a minute.
Oh, yeah? Starboy says fire. Okay, first one to react. Starboy, you're quick on the draw, Starboy. I really got to see you playing rabbit. What's the thing? Duck hunt or something? Duck race? What's the new game I got going? Oh, duck race. What did he say? Fire. Okay, fire it is. You guys don't get to see the boo. Look at that. Isn't it so funny with no peg? You can't see the pegs. I made it easy to Starboy. Oh, Starboy. I think you have two, though, Star. Yeah, of course you have two. Yeah, you have two. You got two in all of them. I don't know where your other one is. It's there somewhere. Anybody see it? No way! Miss K911 makes it in again very, very quickly. Way to go, Miss K. It's your day today. I told you. I said you just got to keep trying. You just got to keep trying. Miss K911 gets a second ball for Friday's final. And we're not finished with her yet. Because now she gets to play file, save, close. We did have Starboy too, eh? Starboy, Skeletor 2. Oh no, it's true. It was Skeletor and Miss K911 that got the two balls. I don't remember anymore. Guys, help me out. Or was it only one? No, it was Miss K911. Anyways, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Either way. Okay, Miss K911's going to play against Diet Coke, Futures, and Omnius, all on her own. See if she can make it. Save and apply, and then we're going to do it with Starboy. We got to make the wall really easy to get through. We'll make the pegs. So the breakouts, you only need to hit a wall once, and it'll let you through. And peg size. What's a good peg size? We're going to wait for Omnius to show up. Peg size, that's too many pegs for an individual game. Let's make it 340 by 240. We'll have the pegs looking like that. Easy breezy. And we'll get the game going fast. Apply settings. Okay, let's just wait for Omnius to come back. Make sure. Diet Coke, futures floor, Omnius and Miss K911. Then we'll run one more game with CGR is just a nickname. You guys can call me. I can't remember. I'll try. Direct stop loss. Why is it not showing? That's funny. Wow, that's weird. Oh, there it is. Is that? I don't know how you're going to say it, but late for dinner. Oh, you're not going to see the... So you want me to run it, even though Omnius isn't back? If you're late for dinner, Miss K? Your single version game? Save and apply. Fire or burst, Miss K? You get to watch it. It's only going to take a few seconds. I got it on high speed. Sir, fire or burst? Fire one at a time, burst all at the same time. Fire! There we go. Diet Coke, Miss K. Oh, it's not looking good. Ouch. Okay, no, that was unfair. That was unfair. I said it. I forgot. I said it to everyone go into the thing. Hold on. You got to get a better peg size. You got a speed, launch speed. Okay, that was unfair. We got to run it again for her. 18. Okay, apply and fire. There we go. That's fair. No, you can't just fire them right into the stop out bit. That's just not fair. Okay, we got 2 holes already in the wall. See how quick that is? I got to remember that. I could fire it at that speed if there's more pegs, but not when the pegs are empty. You all go into the stop out pit right away. Ms. K hits the wall. Oh, she's floating around there. Oh, she got a lucky bounce.
Anything?
Yeah, Ms. K is playing her lonely game, but she's got to go for dinner, so I said we're going to play it right away. Her alone game. Or I'm alone. Omnius, Diet Coke. Miss K's heading for the stop out pit. Oh, Miss K stops out and Omnius wins. Okay.
There was a few people wanting to join the game. I guess we didn't get them in time.
Shit. That's it. Starboy. Good game, Miss K. Hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with us. I hope we had fun. Save and apply. Starboy, fire or burst, same game. And then we can we'll be back tomorrow we're playing with our balls. Yup. Fire or burst. Yup. Yup. Okay, I'm choosing burst. You said yup. Let's see if I brought you luck. Diet Coke. Ooh, would have gone to the start. You got a peg right in a good place there. Blocking. You got a good peg blocking the stop out pit. Diet Coke, futures floor. Futures going to go into the stop out pit maybe. He's trying not to, but he goes in the stop out pit. Omnius is threatening to close it down early. Starboy's going to make it across to the right side of the board. Says, Omnius, give me a chance. Come on, Omnius, be nice. Starboy, you got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. And I did burst. Look at that. We're in sync. We're on the same level. Perfect. Starboy got it. See how much fun these single games can be? Play alone against the crew. File. Save. So today we got Miss K911, CJR, Miss K911, and Starboy.
Guys, can we get GG in the chat for all the winners?
Yep.
Good game. Good support. Support each other.
We're
in this journey together.
That's 8 G's. Woo! I'm out of breath. That was a lot of excitement.
Sweet. Guys, if you're just showing up, we do a giveaway game. We do a qualifier Monday through Thursday. Friday, we do the giveaway. Mike, this week is for what account?
Bullinox.
This week is for a 50K Bullinox account. So show up. We trade throughout the morning, talk about strategies, talk about psychology, talk about what to do to improve our trading, build a community of traders. So if that's what you like, please subscribe to the channel, like the stream so more people can see it, and we'll build it together. Mike, we done or what?
We just got a notification of something. Yeah, I think we're done. Probably a short. Yeah. Yeah, we're done. I got it. My wife is sick, so I got to go and probably make her lunch and tend to her and
hold on.
Stuff.
We got to stay a little bit longer. I'll tell you why in a little bit. I don't know how long, but just tell you why in a little bit. Also, when you end the stream,
sounds good, CJR or Chandan. Is it Chandan or Shandan? CH or SH? I saw you spelled it with a CH, but do I pronounce it with the CH or do I pronounce it with an SH? Shandan, SH, Chandan, CH. Pronunciation, not spelling. Chandan. Okay.
What you guys want to talk about for a few minutes?
Yeah.
Give me a few more. I'll tell you why in a little bit.
We'll get it. Why does ICT use such language for all his setups? We can go back to that again. Why does he have to change the names of everything? Why couldn't he just stick with 50% retracement instead of calling it a consequent encroachment? How did he even come up with that? That's what I want to know. Can someone tell me how he came up with consequent encroachment? Have you seen that term used anywhere? Has anyone ever used that in a sentence even?
I'm going to go out on the limb and say his wife said that. Women, they say some weird stuff sometimes. And he's like writing it down. What'd you say again? Writing it.
Seriously.
That's my theory.
I don't know.
All right, Mike, ready when you are.
I don't know. CJR is playing Deal Me In. Oh, no, I can't change it. I wanted to change it to the other one. Okay, guys, thanks for hanging out with us today. It was a blast. I hope you all were green. If you broke even, good too. If you lost money, keep it under control. Keep your losses small, guys. That's how you win in the game. That's how it's sustainable. It's not sustainable to have large losses. It's just going to keep smacking you in the face over and over and over again. You have to get that under control. You can't allow it to happen, not one time, because if it happens again one time, it just puts you back. It's like snakes and ladder. It puts you back at the starting level. We'll be back on the mic tomorrow, 9:15 or earlier, playing some giveaway game qualifiers also. And, you know, we like to throw in some specials, some single games, and mix it up a little bit. So hope to see you here tomorrow. Take care and appreciate it.
Guys, appreciate you guys. See everybody tomorrow morning. Mike, no evening stream tonight?
No, I'm too busy again still this week.
Okay. Guys, appreciate
thanks,
y'all.
Miss K. Thanks, Miss K.
ERD, Skeletor, all you guys, Starboy, appreciate all of you. See you all tomorrow. Mike, before you end the stream, will you talk with me?
Oh, you mean before I cut? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I get it. Okay, bye, guys.
No, cut out. Just don't end the stream yet. Guys, see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Oh, shit.
I'm still alive, right? If I understood you correctly. You said don't end the stream, right?
Now go to the end screen.
Oh. Okay, bye, guys. Close. See you tomorrow.